Hello, welcome to this short video. I would like to introduce you shortly to our ALOps Build Agents. Now, to be able to do that, I would like to dive a little bit deeper first into what a build agent actually is. Now, very simply said, a build agent is a piece of software on a piece of hardware that is going to execute your PowerShell that is responsible for building and releasing your software. So in terms of Business Central, it's basically your compile, running tests, and deployment of your app, either in SaaS or on-prem. An agent automates that. An agent makes it able to run these tasks, to run this PowerShell basically on hardware by running software on this hardware. Now, I would like to focus on this hardware part, so this infrastructure part. Now, what we see a lot in workshops is that this is the bottleneck and the cause of many problems, simply because there is a lot of loose ends. I mean, there is this virus scanner that sometimes is not that friendly towards PowerShell scripts. There is Docker, there's Windows updates, and so on. And I see a lot of people running them in Azure, which is slow. And we want builds and releases to be fast. So I once actually did a blog post about that, which I called installing a DevOps agent with the most chance of success. Well, it basically came down to a lot of steps, some funky parts, to be able to have, the most chance of success to have a stable build agent. It's not that easy. So there comes obviously ALOps Build Agents. And our idea of providing to you is obviously a fast build agent. So we have picked out hardware that is specialized for Business Central builds, that makes the builds fast, running the tests fast, and the deployments fast. And we are cheaper than on Azure. So if you compare with similar hardware on Azure, we are like 4 or 5 times cheaper. We want to do the maintenance for you, so you don't have to worry about like these Windows updates, Docker updates. We just provide you working build agents for Business Central builds. And this has some reliability as well, obviously. We have been using this like 15 at the same time for over a year without any problems. So they are quite reliable, let's say. We want to provide that to you for 24/7 availability. So you would be able to like schedule your tests, schedule your long builds, your app source validations in the weekends, at nights. You basically can schedule as much as you can when you can. And not unimportant is obviously that these ALOps Build Agents are not only available for Azure DevOps, but also for GitHub runners. They are quite fast also for running your ALGo for GitHub pipelines. Prices, 250 euros per month per server, which comes down to about 3 cents per hour, which is quite good, if I may say so myself. So there is more information on our website. Please feel free to visit that, alops.be. We have an ALOps Build Agent section there where you can find more information. And obviously on the top right, there is this Get Agent button as well, where you can request your agent. Thank you so much.